Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a plus b, this is equal to 4. Let's call this equation 1. A times b is equal to 8. Let's call this equation 2. So what is the value of a and what is the value of b? Now let's provide a solution from here. From equation 1, which is a plus b, this is equal to 4. Let's make a to be the subject of the formula so that we have a is equal to 4 subtract b. Let's call this equation 3. Let's substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Equation 2 is a times b. This is equal to 8. Let's substitute a, which is 4 minus b. So we have 4 subtract b multiplying by b. This is equal to 8. So let's open the parentheses a. 4 times b, this is 4b, minus b times b. This is b to the power of 2. This is equal to 8. Let's take 8 on the left hand side so that we have 4b minus b to the power of 2 minus 8. This is equal to 0. Let's rearrange this equation so that we have minus b to the power of 2 plus 4b minus 8. This is equal to 0. Now let's divide both signs by minus 1. Minus b to the power of 2 divided by minus 1. This is b to the power of 2 plus 4b divided by minus 1. This is minus 4b, then plus 8. This is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation where we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to 8. We can solve for b1, b2 by applying the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Let's substitute a, b, and c into this formula here so that we have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, then times c, which is 8, everything here divided by 2 times 1. So minus times minus 4, this is 4, plus or minus the square root of minus 4 squared, this is 16, minus 4 times 8, which is 32, everything here divided by 2. So we have b1, b2, this is 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 32, this is minus 16 divided by 2. So this is 4 plus or minus, we can express the square root of minus 16 as 16 times minus 1 divided by 2. So here we have 4 plus or minus the square root of 16, this is 4, square root of minus 1, this is equal to I. So we have here, this is 4i divided by 2. So in the numerator here, we have that 2 is common, so that we have 4 divided by 2, this is 2, plus or minus 4i divided by 2, this is 2i, then divided by 2. So let's simplify 2 and 2 here, so that we have 2 plus or minus 2i. So we have b1 is equal to 2 plus 2i. We have b2, this is equal to 2 minus 2i. Now from equation 3, we have that a is equal to 4, subtract b. So we have a1 will be equal to 4 minus b1, which is 2, plus 2i, so that we have 4 minus 2, which is 2, minus times plus 2i, this is minus 2i. So we have the first set of solution here, a1, b1, this is equal to 2 minus 2i, 2 plus 2i. This is the first set of solution that we have. Then we can solve for b2, which is equal to, b2 is 2 minus 2i. Then we can solve for a2, which is 4 minus 2 minus 2i. So this is 4 minus 2, this is 2, minus times minus 2i, this is plus 2i. So that now the second set of solution, a2 comma b2, this is equal to 2 plus 2i, comma 2 plus, that is 2 minus 2i. So this is the second set of solution that we have. Now let's check if these two set of solutions A satisfies the equation. That is A1, B1, A2, B2. Now from equation 1, which is A plus B, this is equal to 4. This is equation 1. And we have that A times B, this is equal to 8. Let's call this equation 2. Now from the first set here, A1, B1, let's check from equation 1. So we have 2 minus 2i plus 2 plus 2i. This should give us a value of 4. So minus 2i plus 2i, this simplifies. Then 2 plus 2, this is 4, which is equal to 4. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that A1, B1 satisfies the equation. Let's check A2, B2 by using equation 2. Equation 2 is A times B. This is supposed to give us a value of 8. So we have 2 plus 2i multiplied by 2 minus 2i. This is supposed to give us a value of 8. So this is 2 multiplied by 2 minus 2i plus 2i multiplied by 2 minus 2i. This should give us a value of 8. 2 times 2, this is 4. 2 times minus 2i, this is minus 4i. Then plus 2i times 2, this is 4i plus 4i. Then 2i times minus 2i, this is minus 4i squared. This should give us a value. Now we have 2 times 2, this is 4. 2 times minus 2i, this is minus 4i. Then plus 2i times 4, this is 4i. Then minus, we have 2i times 2i, this is 4i squared. We have that I to the power of 2, this is the same thing as minus 1. So let's substitute I squared with minus 1. So this is 4 minus 4i plus 4i. Then subtract 4 times minus 1. This should give us a value of 8. So minus 4i plus 4i, this simplifies, so that now we have 4 minus 4 times minus 1, this is plus 4, and this is supposed to give us a value of 8. So 4 plus 4, this is 8, which is equal to 8. So this means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that the second set of solution here, which is A2, B2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.